Morning, God bless. This is my friend Charlie here, my boy. All right, y'all already aware. Yes, sir.
All right.
I begged them, can I please do this to give the subscribers a little something to look at my Buick right. So this is a little something for the subscribers. I'm a little dry. This is SS. Listen to this here. I'm rushing through this. I really love the sound of this thing when he's on the gas pedal. Yes, sir. Please some tunes. Here we go. That sounds real good for real, man. It's been a while. You get up under your hood. We both are in a slight rush here, but I want to give, like I said, subscribers something until my Buick's 494 is right.
This is bare bones.
Bare bones. I don't know if I asked you this. You gonna do anything? You gonna do anything like K&N with this open,
down
like
the road,
with a scoop?
down the road,
With a scoop, cold air for real. All right, so Charlie's gonna give a little something when he take off. I begged him again to please do this. So whenever you're ready, Charlie.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you, man.